Hello, New Jersey. Nice high wind warning.
For the following area in New Jersey, eastern Monmouth, high wind warning in effect from 6 p.m. Wednesday to 9 a.m. Thursday. What? Northeast winds 30 to 40 miles per hour with gusts up to 60 miles per hour expected. Where? Eastern Monmouth and coastal ocean. When? From 6 p.m. Wednesday to 9 a.m. Thursday. Impacts. Damaging winds will blow down trees and power lines. Widespread power outages are expected. Travel will be difficult, especially for high-profile vehicles. People should avoid being outside in forested areas around trees and branches. If possible, remain in the lower levels of your home during the windstorm and avoid windows. Use caution if you must drive.